Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I do, depending on my schedule. I usually exercise 4 to 5 days a week in the morning or evening.
Question number 2. What kind of exercises do you do?
I typically combine strength training, cardio, and stretching exercises. For strength training, I concentrate on compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. I usually do cardio by running, cycling, rowing, or stair climbing. To improve my flexibility, I also incorporate stretching into my workouts.
Question number 3. What do you think is the best exercise to keep fit?
I recommend strength training, cardio, and stretching for fitness. Strength training increases metabolism and lean muscle. Stretching improves mobility and flexibility, preventing injuries. It's crucial to find an exercise routine that suits your goals.
Question number 4. Do young people in your country like to do exercise?
Yes, young people in my country are quite active and enjoy exercising. Young people can participate in a variety of activities, including team sports, martial arts, and individual activities like running and cycling. Furthermore, many gyms and fitness centers offer classes specifically designed for young people, allowing them to find an activity that interests them.
Question number 5. What kind of exercises are popular in your country?
Soccer, basketball, and volleyball are popular team sports in my country. Martial arts such as judo, karate, and taekwondo are also very popular. Individual activities such as running, cycling, and swimming, as well as more fitness-oriented activities such as HIIT, weightlifting, and yoga are also popular.
Question number 6. Do people in your country do a lot of exercise?
Yes, people in my country are very active and enjoy working out. There are numerous gyms, parks, and other facilities available to assist people in staying active. In addition, many people engage in team sports or individual activities such as running and cycling. In general, exercise is very popular in my country.
Question number 7. What was your favorite exercise when you were young?
Swimming was my favorite sport when I was young. I enjoyed being in the water because it gave me a sense of freedom. I also enjoyed racing because it was a challenge to push myself to my limits. Swimming is still one of my favorite forms of exercise.
Question number 8. Do you do more exercise now than when you were a child?
Yes, I exercise more now than I did as a child. I'm much more aware of the value of exercise and the advantages it can provide for my overall health and well-being. I'm also much more disciplined and have a better understanding of how to reach my fitness goals in a safe and effective manner. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.